Assalamu alaikum. I am Safia Hashmi. I am your Chinese tutor. Welcome to our Chinese practical course. Today I am going to give you a lesson about the greetings. So before going to start this lesson, if you haven't aware about the Pinyin, you have to go back and watch the previous lesson. So let's start with this lesson. So in Chinese, whenever you are going to meet somebody which is of same age of you, so simply you have to say ni hao. Okay, so here we have two men in a picture, A and B. Okay, so both are saying hello to each other. So ni, here new words we have. Ni means you. Okay, how means good. It means literal means is you good. Okay, so read after me. Ni hao. Ni hao. Right. Okay, when you are going to meet somebody who is older than you or who is elder, how you are going to name them, okay, or call them. So you have to pronounce it mean. It's a polite way to say somebody who is elder than you. Okay, and niman is you poor. Here we have a picture. In this picture, old person is going to meet with two younger. So the students, okay, two students coming to one teacher. So students are going to say nin hao, okay, and how the teacher or how the elder person will give you a reply. It's ni men hao. Okay, so here we have some general expression which commonly used in Chinese language about the greetings. Okay, so whenever you are going to say hello to anybody, so you have to say this one, ni hao. Read after me. And whenever you are going to ask somebody how are you doing or how are you, means you are going to add question. Okay, so you have to add this question particle over here. It's ma. Okay, so how are you is ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. So the couple of answers you have to say to anybody. If everything is going well around you, you have to say 很好. Okay, if not so good, so you can answer 不太好. Okay, 不 means no, 太 means too much, or it's adjective degree. So how means good. Okay, and here han is mean very. Okay, so you have two answer you can say. Read after me. 很好. And the second one is 不太好. Okay, if you see your friend after so long time, so how you will greet them? So you simply in English, long time no see, same in Chinese, 好久不见. Hao jiu means long time. Bu means no. Jian means meet or to see somebody. 好久不见. And the next greeting you can say if you are going to greet in the morning. So what you have to do? 早上好. how. Zao shang means morning. Zao shang means morning. Okay. How means good. And again, read after me. Zao shang hao. Zao shang hao. And good evening. Wan xiang hao. Wan xiang hao. It means good evening. Okay. Wan xiang means evening. And now, when you are going to say goodbye to anybody, how you will say the goodbye? 再见. 再见. Zai means again, and Qian means to meet again. Hope to see you meet again. So it's goodbye. 再见. Read after me. 再见. Hope you will enjoy this lesson. And if you have any query regarding this lesson, you can comment below. And thank you. See you soon in next lesson.